90% of people are missing out on this simple, science-backed way to boost strength, improve heart health, and even prevent injuries. Are you one of them? Most people think of push-ups as just an upper body exercise, a basic move that works your chest, arms, and shoulders. But what if I told you push-ups are a full-body powerhouse that go far beyond muscle building? In fact, this simple movement can strengthen your core, enhance cardiovascular health, and even boost your metabolism, all without needing expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment. The hidden benefits of push-ups. 1. They're a natural heart health booster. Did you know push-ups can be an indicator of cardiovascular health? A study from Harvard found that men who could do more than 40 push-ups had a 96% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who could do fewer than 10. Since push-ups engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, they also get your heart pumping, improving circulation and endurance. 2. They supercharge your metabolism. Think only cardio burns calories. Think again. Push-ups engage your whole body, increasing your resting metabolic rate. This means your body keeps burning calories on after you've finished your workout. Over time, this can aid in fat loss and weight management without needing to spend hours on the treadmill. 3. They protect against injuries. Weak stabilizer muscles can lead to injuries, whether you're lifting weights, playing sports, or simply going about daily activities. Push-ups help strengthen joints, ligaments, and tendons, providing extra support and reducing injury risk, especially in the shoulders and lower back. 4. They enhance posture and core strength. Sitting for long hours at a desk can lead to poor posture and back pain. Push-ups activate your core muscles, including your abs, lower back, and even glutes, helping you maintain a strong, upright posture. Over time, this can reduce back pain and improve overall body alignment. 5. They're the ultimate functional strength exercise. Unlike isolated exercises that only target one muscle at a time, push-ups mimic real-world movements by engaging multiple muscle groups at once. Whether you're lifting groceries, playing with your kids, or carrying heavy bags, push-ups improve your body's overall strength and functionality. How to get the most out of your push-ups? 1. Prioritize form over quantity. Many people make the mistake of rushing through push-ups with bad form. Keep your core tight, back straight, and elbows at a 45-degree angle to maximize benefits and prevent strain. 2. Add variations for extra challenge. Tired of regular push-ups? Try diamond push-ups, archer push-ups, or decline push-ups to target different muscle groups and prevent plateaus. 3. Make it a daily habit. You don't need an hour at the gym to see results. Even just 10 to 15 push-ups a day can have a long-term impact on your strength, endurance, and overall health.